everybody. So the tool that I picked is called Quiz, as you can see from the corner here. And I thought that this is just such a fun and interactive way to test knowledge about vocabulary, key terms of a story, and honestly just any subject material. So since I'm majoring in English, we can focus on the English and Language Arts section for this demonstration. But as you can see, they have a variety of quizzes that are already made up, um, such as science, world languages, computer science, math, all of these, arts even. And I just think this is so cool. And these are the ones that are already made up. Teachers have the option to create their own fun quiz based on what they're teaching in their classroom. So when you pick a section, you just click see more, and all of these different quizzes will show up. There's just tons and tons of them, and this is just amazing that there's already all of these set up. For this demonstration, we'll focus on the poetic terms. So once you click on the game that you want to focus on, this little section will come up where you can either play the game or you can test your knowledge from what the content is on the game with their flashcards. But we'll just play it. And once you hit play, this screen will come up and it gives you the option to put a timer on and to select a meme set, which is so fun. And honestly, I think students would just love this. So once you start the game, the key term or phrase or sentence that you have will come up, and it'll give students the option, to pick the answer. So stanza, obviously that is a group of lines in a poem. And this cute little meme comes up. Different memes will come up after every question that you answer. So for a rhyme scheme, that is the pattern of how many words in the poem rhyme. Yes, and like you said, all of these cute memes. And for every question you get right or wrong, it moves you up or down the leaderboard. And I just think this is so fun to kind of help you and help your students create like a fun, competitive, and interactive atmosphere in your classroom and to test their knowledge. And yeah, I just love this so much. Hopefully you guys can find it useful in your classrooms. Thanks so much for watching.